Today, we're diving into the world of the feijoa, a small, tropical fruit that's more than just sweet and aromatic. Also known as pineapple guava or guavastine, this berry-sized wonder has a fascinating story of discovery, cultivation, and unique flavor. Let's uncover why the feijoa deserves a spot on your fruit radar. The feijoa, scientifically named Acca sellowiana, belongs to the Myrtaceae family, the same family as guavas and cloves. Native to the highlands of southern Brazil, parts of Uruguay, Paraguay, and northern Argentina, it is now widely cultivated in countries with subtropical climates, including New Zealand, Russia, and parts of California. The plant grows as a shrub or small tree, typically reaching 1.5 to 7 meters in height. It produces elliptical green fruits roughly the size of a large egg. When ripe, the fruit has a sweet, aromatic flavor, a mix of pineapple, guava, and mint, with a slightly gritty texture near the seeds, a flavor that surprises many who try it for the first time. Feijoa fruits are typically harvested in autumn, and they can be eaten raw, scooped out with a spoon, or used in cooking. They are often made into jams, jellies, juices, and desserts, and are popular in smoothies and baked goods in regions where the fruit is cultivated. Botanically, the feijoa is self-fertile but produces better yields when cross-pollinated. Its flowers are showy and edible, with red petals and white stamens, often enjoyed as a garnish or even lightly candied. The plant's adaptability to poor soils, wind, and drought has made it a favorite for home gardeners and commercial orchards alike. Nutritionally, feijoa is a rich source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, supporting immunity and digestive health. Its high polyphenol content adds an extra layer of health benefits, making it part of the growing superfruit trend. Historically, the feijoa was named after João da Silva Feijo, a Portuguese naturalist who studied South American flora in the early 19th century. European settlers later introduced it to New Zealand, where it thrived and became a beloved local fruit, often celebrated in festivals and markets. Culturally, feijoa is associated with home gardens, family gatherings, and traditional recipes in countries where it grows. Its aromatic scent and unique flavor have also inspired chefs and mixologists, adding a tropical twist to salads, desserts, and cocktails. Despite its popularity in certain regions, feijoa remains relatively unknown globally, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by adventurous eaters and fruit lovers alike. Its resilience, unique taste, and historical roots make it a perfect example of a fruit that's small but packed with stories. That was the story of the feijoa, sweet, aromatic, and surprisingly resilient. A fruit that travels continents, inspires recipes, and carries centuries of history in every bite. Thanks for watching Turksplainer. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and stay juicy.